Welcome to the United Arab Emirates, a country filled with record-breaking landmarks, thrilling adventures, and breathtaking views. In this video, I'll guide you through the top 15 attractions in the UAE that will leave you amazed. Ready? Let's jump right in. First on our list is the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at over 2,700 feet, it offers stunning panoramic views from its observation decks. Pro tip: skip the line tickets, save you time at this must-see spot. Next up, the Dubai Fountain. This spectacular show of water and music shoots jets as high as a 50-story building located on the Burj Khalifa Lake. Performances happen daily, making it a perfect to your Dubai experience. Now let's dive into a world of thrills and spills at Atlantis Aquaventure Waterpark. Known as the world's largest water park, ideal for families and adventurers alike. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking for a splash of excitement, Atlantis Aquaventure will leave you breathless. Shopaholics, this one's for you. The Dubai Mall, home to luxury brands, a giant aquarium, and an ice rink, has something for everyone. It's a world of entertainment under one roof. Now let's take a journey to Abu Dhabi to visit the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Known for its intricate design, this is the largest mosque in the country and a key place of worship. A visit here is a spiritual experience that transcends mere sightseeing. Don't miss its reflective pools and massive chandeliers. Now let's elevate our experience to new heights at the Ayura Sky Pool. Suspended 200 meters above ground, this 360-degree infinity pool offers breathtaking views of the skyline, Palm Jumeirah, and the Arabian Gulf. Whether you're seeking relaxation or the perfect Instagram shot, Aura Sky Pool is a slice of paradise in the sky. Next, adrenaline junkies, don't miss Ferrari World Abu Dhabi, home to the world's fastest roller coaster. It's a family-friendly theme park with thrilling rides, simulators, and even Italian dining. Now let's dive into Yas Water World, an exhilarating water park that's a true celebration of Emirati culture. Imagine over 40 rides and attractions waiting to thrill you, from high-speed water slides to relaxing wave pools. If you're looking for adventure or relaxation, this water park delivers wave after wave of fun. The Burj Al Arab, one of the world's most luxurious hotels, is an architectural marvel, being an icon of luxury and design. Its sail-shaped design is synonymous with Dubai's skyline and luxury tourism. Discover the underwater world at the Lost Chambers Aquarium in Atlantis. Home to over 65,000 marine animals, it's a journey through the ancient ruins of Atlantis, with interactive touch tanks and mesmerizing marine exhibits. Get ready for a dose of nostalgia at Warner Bros. World Abu Dhabi, the world's first indoor theme park featuring your favorite characters. With immersive rides, shows, and attractions, it's a fun-filled destination for kids and adults alike. It's an immersive experience for all ages. Next, housing over 10 million liters of water, the Dubai Aquarium is one of the world's largest indoor aquariums. Don't miss the underwater zoo for close encounters with penguins, seahorses, and even the massive king croc. Located in Sharjah, Al Montazah Parks is a family-friendly destination with thrilling water rides, leisure amenities, and stunning views of Khalid Lagoon. It's a perfect day out for everyone. Nestled in the heart of Abu Dhabi, for a taste of opulence, visit Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi. With its private beach and world-class service, this hotel defines luxury. Located near the Grand Mosque, the National Aquarium Abu Dhabi houses 46,000 animals and features a rainforest and the longest underwater tunnel in the region. It's an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Dive into a world of aquatic marvels at the National Aquarium Abu Dhabi. That wraps up our list of the top 15 attractions in the UAE. From towering skyscrapers to underwater wonders, there's something for everyone here. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Do let me know in the comments which spot you'd visit first.